skies literally opened up on Tuesday evening in Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Even though the Twin Cities has been experiencing intermittent rainfall over the past few weeks and there was a warning of heavy spells, one never expected a huge downpour of this nature. According to meteorologists, the city recorded between 28 to 32 centimeters of rain in just about 4 hours, and that could literally drown an ill-planned city like Hyderabad. Torrential rains brought normal life to a halt as many parts of the cities were flooded, leading to waterlogging in different localities in Hyderabad and other parts of the state. Were reportedly killed in Chandrangutta area of the city due to wall collapse. Severe water logging in many areas of Twin Cities and roads were literally like rivers. Many two-wheelers and cars experienced technical issues after they were stuck in flood water. DRF and police officials were working all through the night to ensure that traffic was kept moving and distress calls were attended to. There were numerous complaints on social media that the DHMC members listed for emergency were not being attended to. According to weather trackers, the record rainfall for Hyderabad city was 24 centimeters at Begumpet in August 2000 when the city was flooded. But that record has been erased as in the last 24 hours till 5 am around 29.8 centimeters of rainfall has been recorded in GHMC limits at Hayat Nagar. In the outskirts of the city at Gadkesar, around 32.3 centimeters has been recorded. In around 35 places in the city, more than 21 centimeters has been recorded.
శ్రీశైలం డ్యామ్ గేట్లు కూడా ఎత్తివేశారు. అలాగే హిమాయత్ సాగర్ రిజర్వాయర్లోకి భారీగా వరద నీరు చేరడంతో పూర్తిస్థాయి నీటి మట్టాన్ని తాకింది. దాంతో ప్రమాద హెచ్చరికను జారీ చేస్తూ నీటిని విడుదల చేసి ఎగువకి మళ్లించారు. దీంతో సిటీలోని లోతట్టు ప్రాంతాల్లో ప్రజలను అప్రమత్తంగా ఉండాలని ఆదేశించారు.
This is all-time record rainfall in Hyderabad, and it shows up how the excellent canal system that was developed by the legendary Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya has been encroached at hundreds of places and lakes have altogether disappeared. We will forget this aspect of nature's fury after a week when the next disaster happens.